In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove dollar signs or any other currency signs in Excel using two simple methods. Let's open an Excel document. This is a multi-column table that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to remove the dollar sign from the selling price column. But if you click on it, you can see that this is a formula to calculate the price, so you can't delete the dollar sign like this. But there are a couple of ways to remove it. Select the data with the dollar sign. In the menu bar, click on the comma icon. What this does is add a comma according to the number and remove any excess sign besides the comma. There is another way to do this. Select the data with the dollar sign again. Right-click on the selected data. In the drop-down menu, click on Format Cells. In the Number tab, change the category from Accounting to Number. You can see a sample of the category you chose here. Click on OK. Here you can see that the dollar sign has been removed.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.